The fate of another multi-million-dollar apartment complex hangs in the balance.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Developer Orpheus Tenneth was forced to stop work on his apartment complex in Acadia, St. Andrew, after the Supreme Court granted an injunction sought by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. The KSAMC had alleged that the developer had been carrying out construction at 9 Evans Avenue, contrary to building and planning approvals. The injunction basically states that the developer must immediately cease all works on the site or any development whatsoever in contravention of the Planning Act, the Building Act, and the confirmed development order. The injunction that was granted in late January is to remain in place until the 3rd of March, when the matter goes back to court. KSAMC wants Stenneth to remedy the breaches and comply with the approved plan. The alleged breaches were brought to the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation's attention in October of 2020, which resulted in the authorities issuing a cease and desist order. According to the corporation, it had approved the construction of 4 two-bedroom units, 8 one-bedroom units, and 6 studios, but it found that the developer did not conform to the building plan that was approved on November 6, 2019. The agency is alleging that its developer or its agents breached the permits by increasing the number of habitable rooms and balconies, bumping up the quantity of bedrooms in some units, converting powder rooms into balconies and living rooms into bedrooms, and building partitions to facilitate the conversion of open spaces into bedrooms. The Arcadia Citizens Association had sought the intervention of the authorities months before the KSAMC took action.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!